join me and I will show you the complete process from doing a Procreate Draft down to transferring it to the black paper. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nathaniel once again, and I'm so happy that you're here with me learning about chalk lettering. So this week I'm gonna show you how I created this very simple banner layout using chalk pencils and black paper, because even if you don't have a chalkboard, you can still create chalk texture using black paper and a white chalk pencil. Also, I created a free resource just for you. It's all about creating easy chalk layouts, and you can download it from the link below. I'll link it up in the description as well. But enough about that. I know you're here because you wanted to see the process. So here's the process in a very satisfying way. And that's it. That was the process video. I hope you learned something. Again, if you want to learn all about easy chalk layouts, you can download a free resource from my website. You can check out the link below and it will be worth your while. Also, let me know if you tried it at home and then you had fun doing it. Don't forget to tag me and hashtag easy chalk layouts so I can see all your work and share them on my socials too. I'd love to see what you come up with. When you sign up to the email list, you have a direct line to me. So if you have any struggles with your chalk lettering, that's the place to be. And that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and to click that notification bell so you will get notified of any future videos that I release. And as always, stay safe and take care. I will see you again next time.